final document that we're going to create today is the income statement record. So we're going to go ahead and click on Edit, and this will allow us to enter the document. Now the income statement gives you an idea of your net profitability. On a monthly basis, this may end up being the statement that's of the most relevance to you, apart from the salary, revenue, and expense records. Within the income statement, you notice that we have our total sales revenue and total costs already pulled in. The sales revenue, of course, comes from revenue, and the total costs, of course, come from expenses. We then end up with our gross profit. The next item on the income statement has to do with administrative costs. We have our salaries, which have already been pulled in, as well as our rent, which we previously entered. We have a figure for maintenance of facilities, which we also previously entered and was pulled in. And we have space for other labor expenses that we can update. What this might refer to is training exercises, which we decide to put together for our employees and come under our expenses. We have vehicle purchase and maintenance, which was entered in the previous document and has been pulled in, as well as utilities. We have the option to enter other miscellaneous administrative costs, which have not otherwise been covered, as well as other depreciation expenditure. We scroll down further, and once these administrative costs have been subtracted from the gross profits, we end up with our operating profit. We then have interest payment on any loans we may have taken out, and this gives us our operating profit before tax. Scrolling down further, we notice that we have our effective corporate tax rate. Now the software accounts for the fact that when your profits are negative, as we have here, no income tax, or no corporate tax, is levied. The VAT is pulled over from our revenue document, and we end up with our net profits after tax. As before, to exit the document, we first save, and once we receive the appropriate message at the top of the page, we then exit. So this is the message that we're looking for right here. And now that we've received it, we can scroll back down again and close out of the record. And this will bring us back to the income statement dashboard. As you've seen, through the tutorial videos, we've explained the dashboard, the salary, the revenue, expense, cash flow, balance sheet, and income statement documents. If you need further help, you can click on the help documents or shoot us an email at info@startsmartgh.com. Other helpful tabs include the My Account tab, where you can change your personal information or your password, and finally, you can choose to log out.